What's up, it's Mikrant from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. In this video, I will be guiding you how to log into AmericanExpress.com easily. Step 1. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer or laptop. Step 2. Navigate to AmericanExpress.com. In the address bar, type AmericanExpress.com and press enter to visit the website. Step 3. Locate the login section. Once you are on the American Express homepage, look for the login section. This is typically located at top right corner of the page. Step 4. Enter your login details. In the login section, you will find 3 input fields: user ID, password and account type field. Enter your user ID associated with the American Express account and type in your password. Also choose your account type. If you don't have account, click on create new online account, and if you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the forgot user ID or password. If you are using your own device, you can click on remember me, but if you are using other or public device, don't tick the remember me. Step 5. Click on the login button. After entering your login credentials, click on the login button to proceed. Step 6. Security verification if applicable. American Express may require additional security verification for certain logins. This could include entering one-time verification code sent to your registered mobile device or email. Follow the prompt to complete the step. Step 7. Access your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you should be redirected to American Express account dashboard. Here you can manage your credit card, view balance, make payment, check reward, and perform various other account-related tasks. That's it. You should now be able to successfully log into American Express account. Hope you guys liked it. Press the like button, and for more future tutorials, subscribe us.